Winter can be harsh on your motorcycle. The cold, snow, and ice can create a hostile environment for your beloved ride. It sits idle for months, often neglected and forgotten. During this time, your motorcycle is vulnerable to various elements that can cause significant damage. Cold temperatures, moisture, and even the sun can take a toll. The freezing weather can cause the metal parts to contract and expand, leading to potential cracks and breaks. Without proper storage, you risk a frustrating spring. Parts can corrode, leading to rust and deterioration. Fluids can break down, losing their effectiveness and potentially causing engine damage. Starting your bike can become a nightmare. The battery might be dead, the fuel system clogged, and the tires deflated. All these issues can make it difficult to get your motorcycle running smoothly again. But don't worry, winterizing your motorcycle is easier than you think. With a little preparation, you can protect your bike from the harsh winter conditions. By taking a few simple steps, you can ensure your bike stays in top shape. Start by changing the oil and filter to prevent any contaminants from sitting in the engine over the winter. This means a smoother, more enjoyable ride when spring arrives. Imagine the thrill of hitting the open road without any mechanical issues holding you back. So, let's dive into the essential tips for winterizing your beloved motorcycle. From cleaning and lubricating to battery maintenance and fuel stabilization, we'll cover everything you need to know to keep your bike in pristine condition. Gasoline doesn't last forever. It can degrade over time, especially in cold weather. This forms a gummy residue. This residue can clog your fuel system. It can also make it hard to start your bike in the spring. The solution? Fuel stabilizer. This magical elixir prevents fuel degradation. Add it to your tank before storing your bike. Then run the engine for a few minutes. This distributes the stabilizer throughout the fuel system. Now, your motorcycle is ready for its long winter nap. Your motorcycle battery is its lifeline. Without it, your bike is just a piece of metal. It powers everything from the ignition to the lights, making it an essential component for every ride. Cold weather can drain its power. When temperatures drop, the chemical reactions inside the battery slow down, reducing its ability to hold a charge. This is why it's crucial to take extra care of your battery during the winter months. A dead battery means a dead motorcycle. Nobody wants that. Imagine gearing up for a ride on the first warm day of spring, only to find your bike won't start. It's a frustrating experience that can be easily avoided with proper maintenance. To keep your battery healthy, disconnect it when you're not using your motorcycle for an extended period. This simple step can prevent unnecessary drain and prolong the life of your battery. Remove the negative terminal first. This prevents accidental shorts. By disconnecting the negative terminal, you minimize the risk of sparks or electrical issues that could damage your battery or other components. Once disconnected, store your battery in a cool, dry place. Extreme temperatures and humidity can degrade the battery's performance. A stable environment helps maintain its charge and overall health. Ideally, keep it on a battery tender. This device is designed to maintain your battery at an optimal charge level without overcharging it. This device provides a trickle charge. A trickle charge is a low, steady flow of electricity that keeps the battery charged without causing damage. A trickle charge keeps your battery topped off all winter long. This ensures that when you're ready to ride again, your battery is too. Come spring, your battery will be ready to fire up your engine. With these simple steps, you can ensure your motorcycle is always ready to hit the road, no matter the season. Proper battery care is key to keeping the spark alive in your motorcycle. Motorcycle tires are designed to roll. Sitting stationary for months can cause flat spots. These flat spots can affect your bike's handling. They can also lead to premature tire wear. To prevent flat spots, inflate your tires to the recommended pressure. You can also use a motorcycle stand. This lifts the tires off the ground, preventing flat spots altogether. Another option is to rotate your tires periodically during storage. This helps distribute the weight evenly, reducing the risk of flat spots. Chain reaction. Lubrication for longevity. Your motorcycle's chain is a critical component. It plays a vital role in the overall performance and safety of your bike. It transfers power from the engine to the rear wheel, ensuring that your motorcycle moves efficiently and effectively. A neglected chain can rust and corrode over time. Exposure to the elements, dirt, and grime can accelerate this process. This can lead to poor performance and even dangerous riding conditions. A damaged chain can snap or slip, causing accidents. Before storing your bike, give your chain some love. Proper maintenance is key to extending the life of your motorcycle chain. Clean it thoroughly with a chain cleaner and a brush. Removing all the dirt and grime will help the lubricant adhere better. Once clean, apply a high-quality chain lubricant. Make sure to cover all parts of the chain evenly. This will protect the chain from rust and corrosion. A well-lubricated chain is less likely to wear out quickly. It will also ensure smooth operation when you're back on the road. A smooth chain means a smoother ride, better fuel efficiency, and a quieter bike. Don't forget to check the tension of your chain regularly. A properly tensioned chain will last longer and perform better. Inspect your chain for signs of wear and tear. Look for any kinks, tight spots, or excessive slack. If you notice any significant damage, it might be time to replace the chain. Using a worn-out chain can be dangerous. Always use the right tools when working on your chain. A torque wrench can help ensure that everything is tightened to the correct specifications. Investing in a good chain maintenance kit can make the process easier and more efficient. It's a small investment for the longevity of your bike. With regular maintenance, your motorcycle chain will stay in top condition, providing you with a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. Remember, a well-maintained chain is the key to a long-lasting and reliable motorcycle. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Oil change essentials, a fresh start for spring. Used engine oil contains contaminants. These contaminants can be harmful to your engine during storage. They can cause corrosion and wear. That's why it's best to start the riding season with fresh oil. Before storing your bike, change the engine oil and filter. This will remove any contaminants and ensure your engine is properly lubricated. When you're ready to ride again, your engine will thank you for it. Protecting your motorcycle from the elements is crucial. Sunlight, rain, snow, and dust can damage your bike's paint, chrome, and seat. A good quality motorcycle cover is your first line of defense. Choose a cover that is breathable. This will prevent moisture buildup underneath. Make sure the cover fits snugly and securely. This will prevent it from flapping in the wind and causing scratches. Where you store your motorcycle matters. An ideal storage location is dry, well-ventilated, and secure. A garage or shed is perfect. If you don't have access to a garage, consider renting a storage unit. Avoid storing your bike outside if possible. If you must store it outside, use a heavy-duty cover and a ground anchor to secure it. Remember, a safe and secure storage location will give you peace of mind. Congratulations! You've successfully winterized your motorcycle. By following these simple steps, you've ensured your bike is protected from the harsh winter elements. Come spring, you'll be rewarded with a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. No more struggling to start a neglected bike. No more worrying about damaged parts or flat tires. Just pure riding bliss. So, take the time to winterize your motorcycle properly. Your future self will thank you for it. Every rider has their own unique tips and tricks for winterizing their motorcycles. Share your wisdom and experiences with fellow riders in the comments below. What are your go-to products or techniques for keeping your bike in top shape during the off-season? Let's create a community of knowledge and support to ensure every motorcycle emerges from winter ready to ride.